Hello again. Welcome to the next tutorial of the Nextion Display. In this tutorial, we'll see how to change the picture using command and using in display's internal timer and variables. So let's start with the project. We'll create one new project here. So we'll take one toolbox here, picture toolbox, and we'll import few pictures here. Okay, so these are the few images. We'll take okay, we'll take all of these images, import, and make sure that all the images are having the same resolution as your display. Otherwise picture won't display on display properly. So we have imported total 8 images, and first digit it's showing the index of the image. So if you want to browse the image, if you want to show some image, so you have to use this digit here, that is 0 for first one, 1 for second image. Likewise this is the 8th image. You can use this index. We'll assign one image for this toolbox, picture toolbox. So we have to select one image from here, press OK, and this first image will be get displayed here. Let's compile the code and we'll see on the simulator. Here I'm clicking but nothing is happening because I didn't program anything for this display. So we'll see the result on display also. So we have to copy the output file from this build directory. Our output file is tut2.teft. So we have to copy this into SD card. As I explained earlier how to flash using SD card, so we'll follow the same method. So yeah, we have successfully flashed the board, as you can see here. Here I'm touching on display but nothing is happening because as I said, I didn't program anything. So for that touch, we have to program the display. Okay, we'll see how to program it now. So on press, if you want to show some second image, then you have to program in this window, event window. So here I am programming now. P0 is object name, dot command pic, that is picture, and the image you want to show after the clicking on this image. So here I am giving as a 2. So let's see what is happening now. We'll check on the simulator only now. Okay, here I am clicking now. The second image is getting displayed now. Likewise you can program here also. The second method is you can send the command using controller. You have to send the same command. Here I will show in the code as well. So this is the code how to send the command using this controller. So here I am copying p0 pic is equal to this string into this frame array, and the rest of the part is frame only. and from here I'm sending it through UART. And this is a one example for a slideshow. After 1 second it will increment the number and it will show the next image. We'll see the image, we'll see the result on display as well. So let's check the result on display. As you can see, after 1 second the image is getting changed, and it is keep on scrolling the images only. Okay, and we'll see now third method. The third method is we can use the internal timer. The internal timers are part of toolbox only. So this is a timer, and we'll use variable as well. So these are the property of the timer. This is the timer value and timer status. The timer is enable at the beginning. You can change it to disable as well. It's up to you. I will keep disable only. I will enable the timer on pressing the screen, or on releasing will see. So I am giving command as enable is equal to 1 on release of the touch, and on timer event will change the image. So here I am writing code now is equal to timer is equal to va dot val, and we'll increase the value here. We should add check as well. If it is going beyond, then come back to lower value. If it is greater than 5, we'll reinitialize it to 0. While coding in this terminal, you have to keep in mind that you should not use any space, otherwise this will throw error. Okay, we forgot to add one. We forgot to increment the number. So the small mistakes happens. As you can see, the pictures are getting changed continuously. Okay, we'll see the result on display as well. This is a very fast now. We'll reduce the time. We'll increase the timeout. and here compile and debug. Yeah, this time is correct now. As you can see here, images are getting changed continuously. Actually, the timeout is very less. That's why images are getting changed very fastly. But you can change the timeout manually. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share the channel for more videos.